What's up, Provox? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing. Why won't you guys do fine, huh? Now you're nice sitting and enjoying in the house. Just make sure you like this video. I came all the way here to show you this amazing view. Look at this amazing view. Look at this. Just consider subscribing and liking the video. If you did it, like, I'll wait. Go and do it. You do it? Just do it, man. Now enjoy the video. Even Benji is here, but he's enjoying with the toy. Bro, the jug's broken. It's making some sound. Hey! Hey, duck!
I also wanted to
Hey!
use to break stuff, you know.
Hey!
Just buy and throw it from like the first floor.
Hey!
That'd be a fun thing.
Ayo! You good, bro? I'm copying 6'9". So there's a off-road track here, and look at me. This right. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Yes. Oh. Look at my cycle. Benji, you better use that pressure washer today. Pressure washer. Look at this. I'm all wet. I'll take a bath and then I'll see you guys.
Every day, every night 기도하는 내 마음이 전해질까 우리 이대로 함께
I'm gonna wear some glasses because it's getting too, like, I'm closing my eyes like this. So I'm gonna get my glasses. Wait. So story revolves on three main people, Gangtae, Sangtae and Ko Min-young. If you haven't watched it yet, I highly suggest you to watch it because it's one of the best series I've ever watched. I watched around 10 to 20 series and this is the number one. Yeah, because it's so good. If you haven't watched it and if you guys don't want to watch it too, don't worry, I got you covered. So the main character of the show, Gangtae, didn't get attention what he wanted from his mother. And all his childhood he was told that the only aim for him was to take care of his brother, Sangtae. Coming to Sangtae. Sangtae was an autism, I don't know what they call it, but he was mentally retarded. And upon being mentally retarded, his mother was killed right in front of his eyes. Yeah, bad, right? Here comes the interesting part. And he was told by the butterfly who killed his mother that he would be killed if he opens his mouth. So he has his nightmares every spring, the warning. And they have to move every spring because the butterflies come in spring, common sense. And they had to move every spring, and because of this, Gangtae did not develop any friendship with anyone. He was a caregiver and he had to move to different hospitals every year, and because of this he developed an antisocial character. Talking about antisocial character, comes our next character. Ko Min-young. She was a writer of fairy tales and she wrote fairy tales with a very deep meaning. A very deep meaning which could shake the best of speakers. Yeah. But the most interesting thing I found in this entire series is this one line. Fairy tales are illustrations of the real world. Wait, I wrote it down in a paper and I'll tell it to you guys. See, I found those lines. A fairy tale is a cruel fantasy that illustrates the brutality and violence of this world in a paradoxical manner. Let's think about this again. A fairy tale is a cruel fantasy that illustrates the brutality and violence of this world in a paradoxical manner. The entire series is based on these lines. See, each and every one of us have their own flaws, their own setbacks and their own fights. We have aspects where we lack few things. Remember, each and every one of us have them. Gangtae always had a face on his mask to hide his real feelings from his brother Sangtae. And Sangtae had anger. And Sangtae was angry at his brother and a bit disappointed because his brother tried to kill him once. Both of them supported each other fine. But when the butterflies came, they fell. And this time when they fell, they had to move to Sunjeon City where Ko Min-young tracked them down. And upon going to Sunjeon City, Gangtae worked in a hospital as a caregiver. And Sangtae came to visit his brother every now and then. And when Sangtae saw people fight for a better life, he got motivated. And then Ko Myung-gyun motivated Gangtae to lose his mask. And Gangtae helped Sangtae overcome his nightmares. And both of them helped Ko Myung-gyun. See, clearly each of them had their own flaws, their own setbacks, and their own fears. But when they accepted them and when they came together, they were finally happy. See, my message to each and every one of you watching this video right now is that you may have your own flaws, you may have your own setbacks, you may have your own fights. But remember, each and every one of us have them. Don't be afraid to overcome them. Don't be afraid to fight them. Don't be afraid to open up. What if Gangtae never really opened up? Sangtae, he wouldn't have helped Sangtae overcome his fears, and they wouldn't have helped Ko Myung-gyun fight her fight. Just remember that it's okay to have setbacks, it's okay to have flaws, and be ready to accept them, baby. And always remember, it's okay